Spies often work under false identities. They work for intelligence agencies. Hi fellows, my name is Arash and you are watching my Business English playlist. On this video, I'm going to talk about the verb work and the prepositions that follow work, like work for, work on, work in, work with, and work under. In order to find out what someone's job is, you need to ask, what do you do? And when you ask what do you do, the other person starts to talk about their job. They may say, I work for a large European car maker. So I work for a large European car maker. I work on car design. I work with someone like managers at our manufacturing plants. So work with someone at some place. And I work in a bank in New York City. As you see, we have different uses of work, and we are going to dive in and learn each of these phrasal verbs: work for, work on, work with, work at, work in, step by step. Hit subscribe and I'll send you all positive vibes. When you say work for, it means that you are employed by someone. That person, a person or a company, pays you money so that you work for the company, so that you work for a person, and you work for that company or you work for that person. For example, you say, I work for Google, I work for Microsoft. These companies pay you money and they hire you, so you work for them. So you work for a person or a company. And then you work on some field. This is the specific field that you focus, that you pay attention, you spend your time on. Like, I work on manufacturing cars. I work on a new marketing campaign. Right now, I'm working on a new YouTube video for you. Work with. When you cooperate with someone else, or you collaborate with someone else on a project in your workplace, you use this phrase, I work with. For example, I work with a team on this project. And then work in. When you work in a field, in an industry, you are talking about the place that you work. To work in an office, to work in some industry, some field. When you are supervised by a manager, by a boss, or by somebody else, you are working under that person. So we work under, for example, a supervisor, a boss, or a manager. Review, you work for someone or a company that hires you, that pays you money. You work on particular tasks or specific topics. You work with a team that you're collaborating with, you're someone you're cooperating with. You work in a field or a department in your company, and you work under someone who is the people who are supervising you. Subscribe today and empower yourself with business English skills. Immerse yourself with business English language, like reading magazines, newspaper like Wall Street Journal or The Economist, or online articles. The best way to master business English is to immerse yourself with business English content. Read magazines, business English magazines. Read online articles, listen to podcasts. That is one good way to expose yourself to relevant English, business English vocabulary. More examples with the work phrasal verb. I work for a large French supermarket company. You see, I work for a company. So this company is paying me the money, is paying me my salary. I work on the development of new supermarkets abroad. So I work on a specific field, as you see here and as you see in the picture. I work closely with our foreign partners, and so I travel a lot. It is wrong to say I work closely near, but it's right to say I closely work with our foreign partners. Our foreign partners are the people that I'm collaborating with, that I'm cooperating with. I work or I have work, both are correct. You may use work as a verb or as a noun. Here, I work, work is a verb, or I have work, work is a noun. The economy is growing faster and more people are in work. It means they have work. They are in work means they have work. They are working. More people have a job. So you can count job. Never say I have a work. This is wrong. You don't count work, but you count job. I have a job, but I have work, or I'm in work. Finally, run. In fact, I run the design department. I manage a team of designers. 20 people work under me. Now, run here means manage. I run the design department means I'm managing a team or I'm managing a department. And 20 people are supervised by me. They are working under me. There are two mistakes in this white box. I want you to find them out. Then follow me. I run on the development department. On is a wrong preposition here. You should say I run the development department. Next, I manage for a team looking at the possibilities in different countries. For is a wrong preposition here. You should use manage without any preposition. I manage a team looking at the possibilities. They are working on possibilities in different countries. Now look at these. What do you do? What do you do? Use these phrasal verbs to talk about your job in the comments below. Revisit the video. Watch the video again in order to reinforce what you've learned today.